Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add a row to your Shopify store layout. Not Shopify, but using actually in Shopify, but it's using this app, Gempages builder, and I'm going to show you how to add a row. It's super easy. This is going really to enhance your page design. You can customize rows to really create professional, engaging websites. Now let's click on here on this page. You can also create a new one. You can also create a new page, but I already have this one here that I started. And then it's quite easy, but there's still tricks here. You see here row layout, we're just gonna have to grab. Also, if you see other things here, you can delete, so it looks very clean. And also, if you have the footer and you can click on here if you want to remove the header and the footer. Now we don't have the header and the footer. It's much cleaner. It's good for if you want to like have one page. And then here now we have this row here, and then something very important here that you can add more layouts. As you can see here, from 3 to even 6 we can add. And here we can really change the dimension, you can change the ratio. As you can see, it moves here. Pretty nice, very helpful. And what I like here about this is I learned this. You can add a row. So you have this row here. We can just leave this row here, and then in elements here. So we left this row. We deselected this row here, and then now here in elements we can add another row, but inside this row. Now if we expand here, we can see that we have row 2 columns, all right? And this section, we can select the section now, and we can see that we select the section, and we can select the row. Here we have the align, we can size. You also have, you want full size of this, and this can be helpful for other reasons, but for now we have this row here, 2 rows, and here maybe we leave this row here and we add some text block. And now we have this row, and we also have the text. And now if we want, we can select this row. And now here we can change the color. That's how you can customize it. And now we can also change the color of our text here. And then we can go to advanced and maybe add some of that here. And now we can see that we changed the text for that row here in the back. And we also have the text, our text. And now for row 1, which is should be the main one. So yeah, this one here, we have here selected 2. Here we can also change the color, so it's black for here as well. You can also add a gradient, pretty nice gradients you can add. As you can see, pretty nice. And you can also add another one here, but I'll use just solid colors. And now we still have image to layout and other things, but essentially that's from where you can add rows. And now here in elements, you can add a row from here, but you can also add a row with two layouts here. Well, can right away, instead of just selecting it and then changing from here the layout, you can add right away multiple with 2 columns. Sorry, and that's basically here the layout, and it starts with basically with the layout and with the row when we start a website. So they're really fundamental when we're like building a website, because they really help to structure your content effectively. Now rows really help you to organize content horizontally. It will help you make it easier. When you add text, we can also of course add images. We can drop an element here. Instead of text, we can drop an image, right? So we can drag and drop, and now we have an image here. That's just the default one you can add, and then you can select here and remove this one and then add another one. But you can also add buttons if you want. So here we can scroll down, and here we also have a button. So you can add this button. I can add another one here, another one. So here we have two now. Yeah, we can add rows are very important. Now layouts are crucial in my opinion, because it really, you get a really consistent design for your entire site. Well, also creates a balance. So yeah, I really hope you found this helpful. That's basically it. I hope it helps you really understand more Pages Builder, this app. Because it's great. It's very helpful. I've used it a lot, but at the beginning, when you learn about it, you find about this builder and you like it. You're gonna have take some time, of course, to get used to it. So yeah, I hope it does help you in this journey of mastering and learning Pages Builder app. So thanks for watching and take care.